Go Afiq, go.
Opponent already got 3 points.
Go hala.
Perhatian kepada peserta bab nombor 60 hingga 70. 60 hingga 74 ring A. Sila berkumpul di ring A sekarang. Bab 60 hingga 74 ring A.
Afiq got.
Hala.
Awak Afiq, kepala.
Lagi hala.
Being a living target is not worth it. Being a living target is not worth it.
Dah kalah.